Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Alan's cooking channel. I'm going to share with you super simple watercress soup. So I have about half pounds watercress and I just need to cut in half. And then I 3 stalks of green onion, 1 carrot, and enoki mushroom, and also a piece of ginger. And then I cut the watercress already. And then the next step, I gonna put in the different place to prepare another one, the different stuff that I going to prepare. And the next step, I cut the green onion. We separate the green and also the white color. And then I put in the different plate to make easy preparation for the next step. And then here I peel the carrots and I gonna cut it in tiny small pieces to make easier cook whenever we going to cook with boiling. And then here I prepare the enoki mushroom. I cut the bottom and throw away, and then I cut it in half. And I put together, later on put together with the green onion. And then I cut the ginger in tiny pieces, so it's easy to cook with the stir fry, because I'm going to fry this one later on with the vegetable oil. And I put together here with the enoki mushroom. And here we go, already all finished with to cut for preparation, watercress, carrot and also green onion. And the last one is the enoki mushroom and also ginger. And the next step, I prepare for the hot pan with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I heat with the medium heat of the fire. And then I put some ginger, and then I add some green onion afterward. So I fry for a couple minutes to make sure the flavor is coming out from the ginger. And then I put the green onion. And then I put some carrot, and also the next step is I going to put the enoki mushroom. I stir it well to make sure all is covered with the oil and the original flavor is coming out. And then afterward I put some warm water or you can change to the chicken stock or beef stock to make the flavor is coming so nicely and taste delicious afterward. And I'm going to cook for this until it's boiling. After a boiling water is calm, and then we going to prepare for the watercress, and then put the watercress inside in, and I gonna mix stir well for this watercress. I'm going to cook for this one boiling like 5 to 8 minutes to make the watercress is tender. And then I put 1 teaspoon of salt. And the next step, I put a half teaspoon of mushroom granulated stalk. And then stir it well to make sure all is combined together. I wait for a couple minutes for boiling, and then it will be ready to be served. After a couple of minutes boiling, and then I will transfer to another bowl, and it's to be ready to be served to enjoy. And here we go, easy watercress soup. So simple, easy and fast. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy. Bye bye.